teaching this course is the fundamental course. So the students are actually the year one student, the very first semester they come to the university. So they know nothing about the human body, not much. So they think about, okay, I have to study the whole human body within the 13 weeks. So they frightened already. And then the people telling them there are a lot of things you have to remember and very difficult terminologies you cannot handle. Then they become actually the very bad impression before they come into the class. So what we are doing right now is something we teach only the very fundamental idea. So the 4 terminologies here are just the 4 keywords, and then we just using this approach to teach the very basic idea. And then the student can practice more when they go home to study with these 4 terms, with different parts of the body. Then they understand the body more by themselves. And we don't have to worry about how much they go.
I've used things like Kahoot, which is like an open source, and it seems to do something fairly similar. But as far as I know, my university doesn't have a
clicker
MOOC. The students all have their clickers that they bring to class. How does how does one go? How do your institution go about making this decision and implementing it?
Maybe I talk about the integration.
It's a nice simple question.
It's
higher mind.
perfect question. It comes back to what I said earlier on about senior management. If they understand a lot of this sort of work. So fortunately for us, they understood what a MOOC could do, say 2 or 3 years ago. All right, and so we looked at, and you have to have the senior management. They have to be willing to invest, because it's not cheap to say sign a contract with some of the leading providers. So whether that's edX or Coursera, or in the UK it's FutureLearn, and there are other platforms as well. Many universities actually use more than one platform. So they're not just restricted to edX, because they're all different in a different way. Other universities may think, oh, this is quite expensive, how can we do this? But if you're wanting to reach out to as many people as possible, then it really helps if you have that marketing machine of edX